everybody, and welcome to this video on exponential equations. In this video, we have a look at how to find the equation. So over here is the equation of a general exponential graph, a times b to the power of x minus b plus q, and we would ideally like to find these parameters highlighted. So let us have a look at an example. So in this one over here, we have y is equal to a times 3 to the power of x plus q. So there are two unknowns that we do not know. Let us go and start by noticing that the asymptote is y is equal to 1, which would mean that our q value is equal to minus 1. Therefore, we have our equation that y is equal to a times 3 of x minus 1. We still have one unknown, and to solve for that unknown, we'll have to substitute a point in. Looking on the graph, we identify that 0, 0 is a point that we can substitute in that lies on the graph. So we sub 0, 0 into the equation. So in the place of y, we put 0 in the place of a, that is what we're solving for. And in the place of x, we also put 0. So we get 0 is equal to a times 1 minus 1. Solving for this, we get a is equal to 1. Therefore, the equation is y is equal to 1 times 3 to the power of x minus 1. At the end, once you've found your equation, make sure that it makes sense. So here we have a positive a, and it is with a positive a shape. And our asymptote is y is equal to minus 1, which is true. Let us have a look at this example. In this example, there are 3 unknowns. So once again, having a look at the graph, we see that y is equal to 2 is the asymptote. Therefore, our q is equal to 2. So our equation is now y is equal to ab to the power of x plus 2. We need to find more points for the unknown so that we can solve for a and b. Generally, as a rule of thumb, for each unknown, you need 1 point. Looking at our graph, we can see 2 points that we were given. So let us substitute each of them. So let us start with the y-intercept, which is 0 and 1. We're going to substitute it in the equation. So we have 1 is equal to a, b to the power of 0 plus 2. So this here is 1 is b to the power of 0 is 1, so that just becomes a plus 2. Taking the 2 over, we get a is negative 1. So now our equation is y is equal to negative b to the power of x plus 2. So we still don't know what b is. So we're going to substitute the second point. In the place of y, we're putting negative 2. In the place of x, we are putting 2, and we are solving. Let us take that 2 over. So this becomes negative 4 is equal to negative b squared. Dividing both sides by negative, we get 4 is equal to b squared. So we get b is plus or minus 2. So therefore, the equation we have is y is equal to negative 1, 2 to the power of x plus 2. And also, we will do the check in this case to see that our answer makes sense. So our asymptote is y is equal to 2. Our shape is in the negative direction, and that is an increasing graph. Please watch our next videos for more information on graphs.